Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this time, I am going to present my research that the title Growth Analysis of Escherichia coli and Salmonella typhi on McConkie agar modification. Before I present my research, I'm going to introduce my partner. There are Vanessa Ayu Sumirat SSI MKes and Mia Herdiana SSI. Presented by me Yati Supriyatin SPD MSI, and we come from Sekolah Tinggi Analis Bakti Asi Bandung West Japa. And this presentation is for first conference of Paris Panjapa. Let's start. Here my abstract. McConkie agar or MCA is a selective and differential media that is used to isolate and differentiate easily growing gram-negative bacteria, especially members of the Enterobacteriaceae family. The study aimed to obtain MCA-modified media. Research has been conducted by inoculating Escherichia coli and Salmonella typhi on MCA media as control and modification of MCA from nutrient agar added by bile salt chrysalpiolet as inhibitors of gram-positive bacteria, and lactose addition to distinguish the properties of bacteria that can ferment lactose and bacteria that cannot ferment lactose, using Pelnored as an indicator. And then bacteria were incubated for 24 hours at 37 degrees Celsius, and then counted the number of colonies in CFU per milliliters, and their lactose fermentation properties were observed. Result that were calculated statistically by t-test. T-test results showed that there were no differences in the average number of colonies of Escherichia coli and Salmonella typhi into media, so it can be concluded that the modified MCA media can be used as a substitute for MCA, and so the nature of lactose fermenter with a color change from orange to bright yellow because the indicator used is Pelnored. So it can be concluded that the MCA modification media can be used as a substitute for MCA. Here the introduction. As we know that selective media are usually used in clinical laboratories, especially in microbiology laboratorium. The function of selective media is to grow several bacteria which inhibit the other bacteria. For example, MCA. MCA is the one of selective media that can grow negative gram bacteria by inhibiting positive gram bacteria. Why it's happened? Because we can see here the composition of MCA. In MCA, there are peptone as source of nitrogen, and bile salt and chrysalpiolet as inhibitors for ground positive bacteria, and neutral red as indicator. But unfortunately, selective media is a high cost. So to find a solution for this, we try to make alternative media with added the bile salt, chrysalpiolet, and Pelnored as indicator to nutrient agar. Next, methodology. This research is experimental laboratory modified media as a treatment medium to observe growth bacteria. In this study, we used two groups, the control group and the treatment group. We use E. coli as representation bacteria that can ferment lactose, and we use Salmonella typhi that representation bacteria that cannot ferment lactose. We made modified media contain nutrient agar, chrysalpiolet, bile salt, Pelnored as indicator, and lactose. In control group, we inoculated Salmonella typhi and Escherichia coli in MCA as control media, and in treatment group, we inoculated Salmonella typhi and Escherichia coli in modified media. All of them we incubated at 37 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. After 24 hours, we counted the colonies with colony counter in CFU per milliliters and observed lactose fermenter and non-lactose fermenter on media. Here the result. It is a bar diagram for the average of a count of bacteria between in control media and modification media in CFU per milliliters. We can see here that the number of colony of bacteria in control media and modification media is almost the same, but even though we have to analyze statistically. It is the image that can be observed the bacteria based on ability of ferment lactose and non-ferment lactose. For bacteria that can ferment lactose, for example, is Escherichia coli. Escherichia coli can ferment lactose, become or produce acidic acid that can make the media pH of media is decrease and more acidic. So the indicator in MCA control, that is neutral red, can change the color of colony become brick red. But in MCA modification, we use panel red as indicator, so the colors become yellow, bright yellow. Here is data processing. After we count the colonies in every media, we have data, and because we compare the number of colonies bacteria into media, so it's mean that we compare two variant. We can use analyze statistically by using t-test. But before t-test, we have to test normality and homogeneity test to our data. Here is result of normality test and homogeneity test available in table 1 and table 2. In table 1 and table 2, we can see here that significant value all of the data is more than 0.05. It means that our data is normally distributed and homogeneous data. Because our data is normal and homogeneous, so we can continue to t-test. Here is the result of t-test in table 3. We can see the significancy value, that significancy value of our data is more than 0.05, so it means that not significantly different between the number of colony in control media and mediated media, modified media. Why it's the significantly? We can discuss that McConkey and modification media contain bile salt and crystal violet. Bile salt has antimicrobial properties because it has solubilization power and can absorb lipid, then inhibit growth of gram-positive. Bile salt will enter to bacterial cytosol with the flip-flop mechanism. In the cytosol, there will be an upregulation mechanism that affects the numbering of genes in the process of DNA repairs. This causes bile salt has potentially oxidative for DNA damage in that cell that mediated by salt. Cremer's 1014. For crystal violet is known to inhibit gram-positive bacteria. Sick et al. 2018. Crystal violet is known to inhibit important biological mechanisms associated with the oxidation process that affect the process of taking up hydrogen ion by coenzyme in bacterial cells. Then crystal violet replaces hydrogen ion to entering bacterial cells, so that a slight decrease of pH. that can inhibit bacteria to grow the media. Adams 1967. The result of this study, the modified media from nutrient agar with the addition of selective and differential substances in makonke agar can be used as an alternative media. So we can conclude it for this research is their modification media can replacement the makonke agar. That's my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.